more than 10 possible organelles, so you're just going to pick 10 that you want to do that will work with your analogy. So for example, here they have the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Then it says organelles function in the cell. So what does this organelle do? When we're talking about the rough ER, it transports completed proteins and other materials from the nucleus to the cytoplasm. That's what it does in a real cell, okay? Not in your analogy. Then here it says the role in the analogy. So in this example, say that it was a city, the rough ER would be like a major highway, okay? Then here you're going to explain why that fits into your analogy. So it says the ER is like a highway because it transports all of the manufactured goods to where they need to go in the city. Okay? So if I were to do a second one, I might say the lysosomes. Okay, I'm going to explain what they do inside a real cell, explain what they are in my analogy, and then I'm going to explain that so that way I really understand. Once you have this sheet done, you are well on your way. That is the first part. Okay, once you have your analogy sheet done, you can begin the physical project. You can choose between the following two options, okay? I'm giving you options here because not all of you have the same skill set and you might enjoy doing one thing more than another. The first option is just a simple collage, okay? For the collage, you're going to print out a picture of the type of cell. So if you picked an animal cell, then you're going to print out a picture of an animal cell and put it right in the middle. If you picked out a plant cell, you're going to pick a plant cell picture and put it right in the middle. Then you're going to print out or draw pictures showing the function of each organelle in your analogy. For example, if you were doing a school, you would have a picture of the principal. So you're going to print out a picture of a principal. You're going to stick it on your collage, and then by the principal, you're going to write nucleus, because the principal is like the boss of the school, just like the nucleus is kind of the boss of the cell. So you're going to write just principal, and then you're going to put nucleus, so that way we know what it's connected to. Then you will draw a line from each picture to the organelle on your center piece of the picture. So, oh, I'm sorry, see, you don't even have to necessarily write nucleus. No, write nucleus. And then draw a line from that to the nucleus, so I know that you know where it is on the cell. The analogy graphic organizer must be attached to the back or somewhere on the front of your poster. This is the only way I can be sure that your analogy works. Okay, everybody say that with me. I need to attach my graphic organizer to my project. Good. All right. I hope you did it. Okay, the second choice, if you don't want to do a collage, you can do an analogy drawing or a model. So that would be just one picture, or you could make a model